In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Edge JavaScript error using 3 simple steps that can solve the problem fast. If pages are broken, buttons aren't working, or websites keep throwing script errors in Edge, this guide will help you get things running properly again. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, we need to make sure JavaScript is turned on in Microsoft Edge. Open Edge, then click the 3 dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Cookies and Site Permissions, then scroll until you find JavaScript. Open that option and make sure JavaScript is allowed. If it's turned off, many websites will not load correctly, and that can trigger all kinds of errors. Once JavaScript is enabled, go ahead and close the Settings tab and move to the next step. Now we're going to clear the cookies and cache because corrupted browser data is one of the most common reasons for JavaScript problems in Edge. To do this quickly, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, choose the time range you want to clear, and make sure cookies, cached images, and cached files are selected. If you want the cleanest reset, select All Time. Then click Clear Now and let Edge finish removing the data. After that, refresh the browser and test the website again. If the error is still showing, the next step is to check your extensions. Sometimes a browser extension can interfere with scripts and break websites without you realizing it. To do this, type edge://extensions into the address bar and press Enter. This takes you directly to the extensions page. Now start turning off all extensions one by one, or disable them all at once if that option is available. Once they're off, go back to the site that was giving you trouble and see if the JavaScript error is gone. If the page works after disabling the extensions, you'll know one of them was causing the issue. You can then turn them back on individually to find the exact one. So to recap, the fix is simple. Turn on JavaScript in Settings, clear cookies and cache with Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, and disable extensions from the extensions page. These 3 steps solve most Microsoft Edge JavaScript errors and can save you a lot of time troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy browser fixes, Windows tips, and step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.